Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Emma. Today I'm going to be making a baby block. So my baby shower will be coming up pretty soon. So I want to make some baby blocks that says baby G. That's the last name for my baby. I do not know the gender yet. We will find out when the baby comes. So I'm using a picture frame and the letter blocks that you see. I purchased majority of them from Walmart, and then Walmart ran out of some of them, so I went and got the rest from Hobby Lobby. And then I have the spray that I'm going to be using. I purchased the spray from Michaels. I have the white spray and then the gold spray. So the theme of the baby shower is going to be gold and white. And I'm also using a high temperature glue gun along with the E6000. I'm using the E6000 basically to just give me a more of a stronger hold. So the picture frame, I got the picture frame from Dollar Tree, $1 each, 5x7. So basically what I'm doing is I'm going to remove the glass from the frame, and then I'm going to spray paint just the frame alone, and then the glass I'm going to spray paint it white. So the frame is going to be gold, and then the white area is going to be the glass. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button below, and thank you so much for clicking on this video just to watch it. And I hope I get your support, and I hope you join the family. Alright, so I'm all done spray painting. As you can see, the frame came out very nice, exactly how I imagined, nice gold. And then I went ahead and spray paint the glass white, and again it came out really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them together and then start creating the frame. So I'm using a cardboard to cut and put it on top of each boxes. I feel like the box is too plain, even though with the gold and white. So I might kind of do finesse around it a little bit, maybe put some flowers on top or some balloon, but I'm not really sure yet. So I just figure I put a board at the top to cover the top, and it kind of give it a nicer look rather than just an opening at the top. Alright, so there goes the box. It's all done. And then now I'm getting ready to apply the words. So as you can see, I went ahead and spray painted the blocks, the word blocks, in gold. And again, it turned out so nicely. So I'm just gonna go ahead. There's 4 blocks, so I'm gonna go ahead and do BA on the top, and then on the bottom BY. So it's basically, you will see BABY. Basically it's going to be baby G. And then after this block, I'm going to go ahead and create another block with G. So it's going to have G all over on the 4 blocks. All right, so this is the final look on both boxes. Oh my goodness, it came out so nicely. I love the way it came out. I can't believe I did this. This is awesome. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to display it on the day of the baby shower, and I will show you guys how it turned out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for clicking on this video. And again, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and join the family. And thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my